Oh hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to cook a tasty lobster bisque at home in 15 minutes at a very low cost. Lobster bisque is only served in certain fancy upscale restaurants. It is expensive because the price of the lobster and the cooking time in the restaurant. The main ingredient today is the Lobster and Seafood Bisque container from the Baxter company. The price around $3 to $5 each can. The recipe is very simple. For one serving, you need 1 can of lobster bisque, some mushroom, some shrimp or a small lobster tail, a touch of butter, some chopped chive, green onion, and some black pepper. In a pot of boiling water, we cook the shrimp or a small lobster tail of our choice. Cook about 1 to 1.5 minutes. Don't overcook, it will taste rubbery. And after this, we use the same water to add in the Lobster Seafood Bisque base. The shrimp look very nice, fresh and crispy. I have 2 small Caribbean lobster tail and we cook about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you take them out. When the lobster are cooling off, we take the lobster meat out of the shells and we try to find the weakest point of the shell. It is in the middle of the lobster, in this line. You can press and in the middle and we hear the crack. Yeah. It is very nice. Now we can cut them in halves. In the same pot, add in the lobster bisque. This pot I cook for 2 people, so I will add another can of lobster bisque into the pot. Stir in some vegetable seasoning to adjust the taste of your choice. I love to add in creamy mushroom into the lobster bisque. They not only provide some health benefits, but also lightly solidify the bisque, make it richer in flavor. When the cooking is done, the mushroom become much smaller in size and much smoother. Take it out, it's still boiling, and we add 1 teaspoon of butter, so it brings more flavor. Now it smells good. Finally, the lobster bisque is now garnished with some chopped shrimp, sprinkled with some green onions or chives, and don't forget to sprinkle some black pepper. It will bring a lot of flavor. Sprinkle from pepper. And now the lobster bisque is ready to serve with the crackers. It smells so good. enjoy the meal. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching.